Financial education, why it matters, and how to build financial awareness. Financial education helps individuals manage money wisely, learn the importance of financial literacy, key concepts, benefits, and practical steps to improve financial knowledge. Financial education is the foundation of a secure and successful life. It helps people understand how to earn, save, invest, spend, and protect money wisely. In today's world of digital payments, loans, credit cards, and investments, financial knowledge is no longer optional. It is essential. This article provides a simple and complete overview of financial education for everyday readers. 1. What is financial education? Financial education is the process of learning how to manage money effectively. It includes understanding income and expenses, saving and budgeting, banking and digital payments, investments and risk loans, credit and interest, insurance, and taxes. 2. Why financial education is important. Helps avoid debt traps, encourages smart saving habits, builds long term wealth, prevents financial scams, improves decision making, creates financial independence. People with financial knowledge are better prepared for emergencies and future goals. 3. Key areas of financial education. 3.1 Budgeting and expense management. Budgeting helps you control spending and save money. Basics. Track income and expenses. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Avoid unnecessary expenses. 3.2 Saving and emergency fund. Saving builds financial safety. Good practices. Save at least 20% of income. Build an emergency fund. 6 months of expenses. Use savings accounts, RD or liquid funds. 3.3 Banking and digital finance. Understanding. Banking avoids misuse and fraud. Includes savings accounts, ATM and debit cards, UPI, net banking, mobile wallets, safe online transactions. 3.4 Investment basics. Investing helps money grow over time. Common investment options, fixed deposits, mutual funds, stocks, PPF, EPF, NPS Gold, long-term investing benefits from compounding. 3.5 Loans and credit management. Loans can help, but misuse causes problems. Learn about home loans, personal loans, credit cards and interest rates, EMI planning, credit score and CI bill. 3.6 Insurance and risk. Protection. Insurance protects against financial losses. Health insurance, life insurance, vehicle insurance. Insurance is protection, not investment. 3.7 Taxes and financial planning. Basic tax knowledge helps save money legally. Includes income tax slabs, tax saving instruments, filing returns. 4. Financial education for different age groups. Students, pocket money management, basic saving habits, working professionals, budgeting and investing, retirement planning, families, insurance, education planning, long-term goals, senior citizens, safe investments, fixed income planning. 5. How to improve financial education. Read finance blogs and books. Follow trusted financial news. Learn from government awareness programs. Attend webinars or online courses. Discuss money matters openly at home. 6. Role of financial education in India. With rising digital transactions and investments, financial literacy is crucial in India too. Reduce frauds and scams. Promote saving and investing. Improve economic stability. Support financial inclusion. Government and private initiatives are helping spread financial awareness. Conclusion. Financial education empowers people to make informed money decisions. It builds confidence, reduces stress, and ensures a secure future. No matter your age or income, learning finance basics can positively change your life. Remember, the earlier you learn financial education, the stronger your financial future becomes.